How to install blind corner cabinet. Make sure to collect all required components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Step 1. Remove the doors prior to your installation. Step 2. Locate and unpack the L-shaped filler piece which comes with the blind corner cabinet. Step 3. Identify 2 pilot holes on the L-shaped filler panel and those provided on the cabinet. Align the L-shaped filler panel with the pre-drilled pilot holes. Step 4. Temporarily C-clamp the L-shaped filler panel into place. Ensure the top and bottom are flush with the cabinet. Step 5. From the inside, attach the L-shaped filler panel with the provided wood screws. Once secure, remove the C-clamps and begin your cabinet installation. Step 6. It is recommended to start installing the blind corner base cabinet first when installing a corner layout. The blind corner cabinet can only be installed into true 90-degree corners. Mark a vertical line 9 inches from the corner of your room. The blind corner cabinet is installed 9 inches off the corner. This will allow for the L-shaped filler panel to line up with a perpendicular row of cabinets. Step 7. Raise the cabinet up to your baseline level. Placing a level on the cabinet front to back, level the cabinet by twisting the feet up or down. Repeat this step with the level left to right. The cabinet should be level along all edges. Step 8. Align the adjacent cabinet perpendicular to the blind corner cabinet such that the filler piece on the blind corner cabinet is flush with the doors of the newly placed cabinet. Step 9. Once the adjacent cabinet has been aligned with the blind corner cabinet, level this cabinet front to back and left to right, making sure the cabinets are at the same height. Step 10. Along each wall stud, drill 1 3/4 inch pilot hole in the back of the cabinet. Pilot holes should be 1.5 inches from the top. Step 11. Attach both cabinets to the wall using the provided number 8 by 25 mm lag screws.